Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make ravioli. First thing you have to do is go get one of the neighbor's cats. Tonight we're having a ravioli medley with mussels. Okay, let's do it. Okay, here you go. Harry's Ragu Marinara. 4 ingredients. If you don't include the olive oil and butter. Oh, look, garlic. And then, of course, 2 cans of San Marzano tomatoes, whole tomatoes. And then cut them up, just so they simmer down and dissolve easier. And then, of course, a can of anchovies. Let them dissolve, and Old Vine red Zinfandel. All right, while that's happening, make a volcano. Crack your eggs. Mix it in. Use your fingers. Add some water to it, get it just to the texture, make a snowball, and then oil that up, and then of course you know the rule. Roll, fold, roll, fold, roll, fold. And if the edges get a little edgy, just cut them off, it's not a big deal. Generally you have to do that anyways. And you can feel it right away, right away. The gluten starts working on it, especially with the 00 pastry flour. And then of course, once you get it to where you want it, boom, really roll. No more folding. All right, you got it to where you want it. Nice thin. Now you're using water as your glue when you put your pasta together, and there it is. Cut the edges, make it nice and square, for now anyways. And then here you go. Fork the edges and then hold the pearled mozzarella in there so that the air escapes while you're doing that. And then of course repeat. Now you're going to be cutting the edges off this and making them round. But in the meantime, there you have it. Okay, I got the pasta in the water. I got the sauce that I transferred to a pot behind the fry pan here. And then, of course, mussels in. And then 11 minutes later, the pasta's all set. The mussels are all ready. The sauce is beautifully wonderful. And it's time to plate up. Now, you know how I like my plates with the spinach and red bell peppers. So, raviolis. Ragu. And then of course fresh basil, fresh oregano from the garden. Add some garlic. Put the mussels down, Parmesan cheese, and there you have it. Ravioli with mussels. With a beautiful ragu. And tonight it's being served with a nice Chianti Reserva. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.